In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up notifications when deals are stuck in your pipeline. If you're losing track of deals or missing opportunities because they're sitting in your CRM, this is for you. We'll dive into the simple steps to ensure that you're alerted whenever a deal stalls, so you can take action and keep the sales process moving. Let's get straight to it. First, log into your CRM and head to your pipeline view. From here, you'll want to identify where deals are getting stuck. Usually deals end up stuck in the same stages, so start by focusing on these stages first. Now, the software we'll be using today makes this super easy. Go to your settings or automation section, depending on what CRM you're using, and look for the notifications or alerts option. This is where you can set up rules to notify you when a deal hasn't moved in a certain period. The key here is setting a time frame for how long a deal can remain stagnant before you're alerted. You might want to set it to notify you after 24 hours, 48 hours, or even a week depending on the deal cycle in your business. The shorter the period, the quicker you can react and nudge the deal along. Next, you'll be given the option to choose who gets notified. Set it up so that the deal owner or manager gets an alert. You can usually set up multiple notifications if you want to loop in the team or a manager to help resolve any issues. If your software allows, customize the notification to be an email, text, or even a push notification. This way, you'll be alerted no matter where you are. The software we'll be using today also has the ability to automatically trigger a task or a follow-up action when a deal gets stuck. For example, you can set it up to create a reminder or task for the deal owner to reach out to the client. This automation ensures that no deal is ever forgotten. You might also want to set up priority alerts for high-value deals. That way, if a deal worth more than a certain amount is stuck in the pipeline, you'll be notified instantly. This is a great way to ensure you don't lose track of your biggest opportunities. Once you've set everything up, test it. Move a deal to a stage where it's going to be stuck and wait for the alert. This will confirm everything is working as expected. If you don't get the alert, go back into the settings and make sure your notifications are set up properly. Now, the key takeaway from this video. Setting up notifications when deals are stuck in your pipeline is crucial for staying on top of your sales process and ensuring no deal slips through the cracks. Don't forget to test your alerts to make sure everything is functioning smoothly. Set up your alerts to notify you when deals haven't moved in the pipeline for a certain amount of time, and make sure the right people are notified when that happens. Before I wrap up, remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's an exclusive offer for viewers of this channel and is a great way to follow along with what we've covered today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that free trial link below to try the software for yourself.